Yusek, I wanna go po dun sa usapin ng dalawang Pinoy seafarers na namatay nga po sa gitna po ng pag-atake ng Houthi rebels doon. Kumusta po yung pagpapauwi doon sa mga labi nila? Did we get in touch with the family as well? Ano po yung update doon?
The DMW is in touch with the families, no? Tiga Caloocan at Antique sila. Ang problem is, ang situation hindi pa na re-recover yung labik. Kasi immediate abandoned ship yun ang nangyari. Nasusunog yung barko. The two died kasi yung kanilang lugar nasusunog. Nandun pa yung remains nila on board the ship. Kaya gumagawa pa yung agency, remaining agency paraan kung paano ma-pick up yung remains, no, at mauwi. So, wala pa kaming update dyan. But the bodies are not yet at our possession. Wala pa.
And ano po yung inaasahan na tulong po nitong pamilya, nitong dalawang namatay, and also dun sa tatlong nabanggit din niyo po kanina na injured during this incident?
Well, may rules yan under sa seafarers regulations, no? Bibigyan ng financial assistance at saka lalo na yung tatlo, may integration pa yung Department of Migrant Workers. They can explain to you, may integration program sila for returning workers kasi baka hindi na makatrabaho yan. No? Yung family certainly will get certain benefits. Mapapaliwanag po ito ni Mr. Kakdap. DFA also will give some financial assistance kasi right now, ang issue ngayon sa mga nandun sa Djibouti, kailangan ng travel documents, travel papers kasi naiwan nila yung mga gamit nila sa barko. Right. So wala yung mga passport nila. Baka nasunog na rin. So may pinapadala tayong team, yung pinakamalapit na embassy from Cairo para bigyan sila ng documents. No? So bibigyan na sila ng assistance. So we'll be updating you in the next few days about this. No? Ang importante yung they're safe at saka yung dalawang namatay and we commiserate with the families, no, ma-recover yung kanilang labi.